Amen. Blessed are the hearers and the doers. Amen. And the way the class enzima, mtalaba maneno ndani kitaluka zizindi. Amen. When those documents zitaiwe, mutaiwe kwa sense hii kwa prayer. Therefore, lesson, therefore, because it's like she's always prayer, and then she joined the Amen. Amen. Lesson is our call. How prayer Amen. So the just kind of an area of prayer, just to encourage exams. But as we speak on these things, as He open Lord. Amen. As the land of they will also apply with Amen. So as such, my is about these areas. Amen. There is nothing this down these are my eyes there is a full so I see we have lots of the teenagers. Abazali, masibele kakhulu inkosi isenzele abasonke 20 past. Ishumayeli Ecclesiastes. Ecclesiastes chapter number 3. Chapter number 1. Verse number 3. English right now it's 20 past 7. I'm hoping 25 to some specific worship. Okay, so it's your number of Amen. Yes. English.
What do people gain from all their labors?
What do people gain from all their labors?
At which they toil under the sun.
At which they toil under the sun. What profit will you have? Amen. What profit will you do from a good yam? Amen. Let's sing a song, verse number 2. It's all meaningless. It's all nothingless. Amen. What will you gain from that? Amen. Verse number 12. Verse 12. English.
I, the preacher,
yes,
have been king over Israel in Jerusalem. And I applied my heart to seek and to search out by wisdom all that
Solomon was very intentional. And
it is an unhappy business that God has done.
Unhappy business. Now, what by Amen. People are unhappy because they are going to write only. Amen. That is an unhappy business. Amen. I hope you are encouraged. Yes?
God has, okay, I'll start over. It is an unhappy business that God has given to the children of man to be busy with.
To be busy with, yes?
I have seen everything that is done under the sun, and behold, all is vanity.
I have seen everything under the sun. Amen. Behold, Onani. Amen. It is all vanity. As Jose eating among Bunge. It's meaningless. Meaningless, often meaning. So what is everything
Meaningless.
Meaningless. Yes?
Meaningless.
How meaningless? Meaningless. Meaning after the wind. Amen? That way, in a sentence of this, if this is this is blind. This is one. Amen? Oh, man, not you Amen? But number 8, you're joined at the red race of the humankind. Amen? It's all meaningless. Chasing after the wind. The wind. Amen? So the first to job. So this is the foundation. Amen? What we are busy chasing, worrying about what is everyone is chasing. We are chasing after
Wings.
the wind. Amen. Somebody who's stressed out, who's stressed out more. I'm sure I'm telling this. Amen. We are just much years. What is he give us the kingdom of heaven? And these things shall be added. These things you worry about is the wind. Amen. But the kingdom is eternal. Amen. That's the most spiritualizer and never yet to us. Amen. So in verse 12 is Zimbabwe concerning exams. The fullest idea, young swine. Amen. Luke chapter 13. Luke chapter 13. I'm hoping myself was kind of thinking very one is true. Luke chapter 13. Amen.
Planted in his vineyard, and he came seeking fruit on it and found none. And he said to the vine dresser, and I find none. Cut it down. Why should it use up the ground? And he answered, Sir, let it alone this year also, until I dig around it and put a manure. Then,
the parable of this man, wisest king, why no vineyard yard, why no namchi, why no vineyard, why no seed, why no farmer, a vineyard yard. Then no vineyard yard, who go loan too much on this card. Amen. Then we figure to this gardener yard, the farmer. They tell us in Bambi, now, is that uyakwazi uhlwayela but ungavumi into ngokuhlwayela. Amen. Uyakwazi ukuba ngumlimi utyale and plant, but when harvest comes ungabi nanto evunayo. Amen. Now that we are busy, sometimes you work the entire day, the money ndiyitheni. Uyakwazi ukutyala but ungathini ungavuni. Uyakwazi uhlwayela ungathini ungafumani into evunwayo. Amen. I'm not saying this because you're negative. Ndiyithetha le nto ngokuthixo uthe ndibeka ukufa nokuphila. He was not negative, but he wants you to reason. Amen. So uthi apha, for 3 years I've been coming close. Ungathwali isikhama. This guy has been doing everything right. Yonke into uyahlwayela, uyayinkcenkceshela, uyawaterisha, uyapruna. He's doing everything right. But xa kusizwa kwi-results aziphopi. Amen. Ustadishe overnight, after night, midnight, ulala phezu kwekhashi, ungahlali phezu kwentloko, ubusuku bonke uyarhuqa. Wenza i-study nontoni, yabona, ku-YouTube nontoni. That person wenza ntoni? Uyahlwayela. Amen. But xa sekuyi-results, hey! Tell me like a moya nje. So uthi ke lo mbhalo into ezakwenza ungabe buhlungu, ungavi kabuhlungu uphole. Amen. Uthi give me another chance, I will water it. Amen. I will put fertilizer and manure. Uthi lo mzamzalwane ne wathi isongo zakho silahle emanzini. So you have to diversify indlela zakho zofunda. Yabona in our context to diversify, ufunda online, ufunda kwi-peer group, ufunda encwadini, ufunda ku-YouTube. Zonke izindlela, you don't know what day place awuklika. So that you catch this thing ozawuyistudyisha. Amen. But uthi even if uyenzile loo nto, uverse number 13 lo sizabuya apha, verse 13. Sizabuya verse verse number 9. Sifunda leyo verse number 9. Quick, anyone?
If it bears fruit next year, fine.
Yeah, man. Yabona uthi after ndifundile, ndastudisha, ndagcwalisa ingqondo, ndacinga, ndenza yonke into ekumele ndiyenzile. Ndapreparisha for i-interview, ndaba ready, ndasetha ikhampani lenza i-interview kuyo. Yabona? But xa usiya uthi lo mbhali, if ndithwele isikhama, yabona? Omnye umzalwane uzawuthi it's unbelief. Uthi if ithwele isikhama, uthi i-answer yakhe, fine. No? Wawugqibe kwesibini uthini?
If not, then cut it down.
If not, then cut it down. Uthi lo mzalwane, I am prepared uba ingasithwala isikhama, ingangasithwala isikhama. I am fine. I have done my bit. That was the lesson. Uthi ndizabe for 3 years. Ndizama kwenzeka. If I thola ngasikhama, then ndizamile, izandla zami ndizihlambile, I've done my bit. That is what we encourage when we do the best you can. So that you don't think, hey, you can't lie, you don't want to get that. You can't lie, you're come and have an interview. Now, if you do that, then again, now, whatsoever your hand finds, do it with all your might. Amen? So, what you know, if it will come, fine. If I do anger, fine. Was it count to do better than not getting it? Amen. So, therefore, we know Jehovah is that the Sabbath I made a new tonight. When I wait up, you will figure email that you will regret. Now, we are going to interview. message that we are emailing after 7 days, if he can we regret to inform you. Now, if you fully dependent on that, you will be distraught. What you over him long at now. Why you bad time him long at not calling you at now. No. Amen. Then check us out, correct and good. So yes. Amen. Now, Matthew 13 asizofunda ngiyafuna simfunde 1 Corinthians chapter 3. Matthew asizofunda ngamthetha. Matthew kuthethwa ngomshwayeli Matthew 13 kuthiwa umshwayeli waphuma washwayela imbewu elungileyo. Amen. Zebona Moses yama nambe imbewu ne eshwayelwayo ezifama. Yabona washwayela imbewu elungileyo. Ugqiba kwakhe wenza ntoni? Wayolala. Amen. Ushwayele ushwayela wathini? Wayolala. It's not different emntwini ostatishleyo wastasha iqhelile. But not ngithi kwaba 2 hours next day. Siyabasana. Amen. Then it doesn't feel kukuliwe. No, it kwafika the energy ebusukweleyo. Yashwayela ntoni? Imbewu engalunganga. Amen. When you did everything you should do, but okuleleyo unbeknown to you, there's an enemy that is also sowing. And by the way, so this is okay. The field which is your mind.
Yes, Lord.
Amen. So don't try anymore, try knowledge, try the mathematics, try the zito, grammar, one minute. You can get high. Amen. Why you sleep? There's an enemy. Epi is the fruitini, which by there you Amen. Then the class fly, what was it? Then it's full as God. Amen. We are asking no better was to your brother and cannot food like it. Amen. There was no food that you share. I'll figure out whether then yes, it is. But you come back in wrong. Oh, yes, you know. Why are you confused? You know 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 was. Because there's an enemy that is sowing a different strange fear. There's an enemy that is beyond you and telling you. Amen? Amen. Go into that. Amen. So what do you do in that case? You are the enemy and the land. Amen? Amen. As a result, I get away of Bala, the figures could have been victims, and as routine. Let me see this way, no privilege, what was a wasn't Tanaza. Whatever time we notice, if I am in Amen. Amen. I don't put another verse. So I want to understand that. Since I'm kind of a soldier, verse number 4, 1 Corinthians chapter 3, verse number 4. Alright?
1 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 4.
Yes.
For when one says, I follow Paul, and another, only servants through whom you came to believe.
Yes.
As the Lord has assigned to each his task. I planted the seed. Apollos watered it, but God has been making it grow.
So I want you to realize over the roles that
So Joshua Selman.
Joshua Selman, if we are not Fatima, come on. Now, abanye abantu bathi hayi singabakatima ukuthi Abantu bathi Joshua Selman. Now, what happens when you call him, so what do you do, Joshua Selman? No, the ultima. Amen. Who to call him? Nagashwaela, different follows. Who Apollo, who Joshua Selman has a but the mystery, you could pull up and
Jesus.
Amen? So, if duty you have to water, that's your duty. If duty is to sow the seed of knowledge, food. Amen? Uba knowledge is not a I hope you hear me. Which means you don't trust in your ability to study it. You study like there's no God, and you go to write like you never studied. How you bala? Would you teach of it? Only God knows when your life if he can do anything, don't want to feel it, only God knows the process. Don't terminate a seed. It takes a it couples and a person.